Kuma kweherio kwa mikana ya kuingira na kuma kaunti-ini ya Nairobi, Mombasa na Mandera hamwe na kweherio kwa mikana ingi iria yagathikitwo niguo kuhurana na murimu wa coronavirus. Thirikari ikoretwo igithurima uria murimu uyu urathegea kinyagia riu ario kaunti ithatu tu itahutitio. Gatano ga kiumia giki mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta ni atanyitwo gutongoria kigomano gya thirikari nene na thirikari cia matura. Mamwe ma maundu maria matanyitwo kwariririo ari hamwe na mehariria ma kaunti kuhurana na murimu uyu. Akiariria bururi kiambiriria-ini kia mweri uyu, mutongoria wa bururi augire thirikari iri na thiku 21 guthurima mitugo ya Akenya hamwe na uria murimu uyu urathegea. Hindi iyo oho akihithuria uhotekeku wa bururi gucokia imwe ya mikana iria yagathikitwo hau kabere.
Any trends that signal a worsening of the pandemic, we will have no choice but to return to lockdown at zero option.
Kuma kweherio kwa imwe ya mikana, namba ya arwaru riu yongererekete o hakuhi maita meri. Umuthi andu 418 magikirwo mukode gukorwo na murimu uyu na gukinyeria andu 13,771 aria mekiritwo mukode ginyagia riu.
408 of them are Kenyans, while 10 are foreigners. 263 are males, 155 are females.
Kaunti ya Nairobi na Mombasa cithiete na mbere kugwetwo gukorwo ari ugwati munene hari gutherema kwa murimu uyu.
So the attack rate is really the number of positive cases per 100,000 people. That attack rate is highest in Nairobi with 176.1. Mombasa, which at one point had the highest attack rate, is now second at 151.9 per 100,000 of the population.
Gatagati ga kaunti iria ciandikithitie arwaru aingi umuthi ni Nairobi na arwaru 292, Kiambu na 54, Machakos 28, Kajiado 13 na Mombasa 6. Ihinda-ini riu thirikari ikiuga ati mutugo wa Akenya kwagarara mawatho waya guciara maithori kuona riu murimu uyu ni urikitie gutherema muno matura-ini.
We have observed that in some parts of the country, even as people go for funerals and maybe even comply with the protocols that we have placed for funerals, that there are also incidences where at some of these funerals people gather together to eat. Those are the perfect environments for the spread of the virus.
Wakiha makiria ni ati kuri gicunji kia Akenya aria makoretwo makiagarara mawatho maya na kuhuthiriria riboti iria thirikari ikoretwo ikirekereria o muthenya.
Let us not behave like doubting Thomases, waiting until we are directly affected or one of our family members is infected for us to act.
Andu 4 nio makuite ihinda-ini ria mathaa 24 riri 494 marekereirio thutha wa kuhona. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Ngina wa Waduro.